welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been some time since I posted my last long video, but at least I've been posting a lot of shorts and I hope you really enjoy those. And to all of you who are new to this channel, thanks to these shorts, welcome. And I will be talking a lot about Scandinavian style, minimalistic style, fashion hacks, style hacks, how to style, everything fashion, plus a couple of vlogs. Today we are going to talk about 2023 fashion trends you won't regret in 5 years, because I know it might be a little bit tricky sometimes. There's a lot of trends, and how should you think when it comes to these trends? Today I'm going to talk about a couple of trends, or quite many actually, that I believe you won't regret in 5 years, depending on how you style them, of course, but I'm gonna guide you through all of this, so don't you worry. And I'm doing this video in collaboration with NAKD, so I have some new items that I will be styling in this video, plus I have also a lot of other NAKD items from earlier that I will also be styling in this video, so I will link everything down below. I have 3 new items for my closet. These are perfect for winter. Also, these will be perfect next fall and for many years forward. Let me show you. First of all, we have the most amazing, very long wool coat in grey, and I have had this one on my wish list for so long. Now I finally have it. Oh wow, I'm gonna wear it so much, I'm gonna style it so much, and let me show you how in this video. Of course, we have another thing that I have been wanting ever since last fall, and that is this type of leather oversized coats. The third piece that will be new for this video is this long dress. It's a little bit see-through, or actually it's quite a lot see-through, so you need to be careful with what you are wearing underneath, but I wanted the see-through effect, so yeah. And it has this a little bit of a slit on the side. In this first outfit we have a all grey outfit. I love this kind of styling. It's perfect for the minimalistic Scandinavian style, and we have one of the trends, which is monochrome. Such a good trend because it makes you look so luxurious, it makes you look taller if that's something you want to achieve. I know I want to. It just looks so effortless, beautiful. Here we have the first piece from my new NAKD items, which is the grey long coat, and the second trend is the long coats. They are everywhere, but I'm 100% sure that we won't regret this length in many years. You can't see it here, but I'm wearing a pair of knee boots, and those are also such a big trend. And if you choose something more classy, like these black snake boots that goes with everything in your closet, you won't regret this trend, I promise you. The coat, as you might see, is also very oversized. It's double-breasted, such an 80s vibe. For sure, the 80s is here to stay. We see a lot of 80s fashion trends this year. I love it, and I think it's such a perfect trend to just style with and play around with. And if you go for the more elegant, minimalistic vibe of the 80s, then you're not gonna regret it. The look number 2 is with this gorgeous leather coat, and I believe this is such a big trend in 2023, but you won't regret this trend if you style it very simple, very elegant, and with classic pieces, such as the white button down. The white button down will make almost every trend so much more elegant. If you don't already have the white shirt, well, you know my opinion, you should definitely have one, and that will make it so much easier to style those trends that you're interested in without feeling too much of a clown. In this outfit you can also see that I'm wearing a mini skirt. The mini skirts are such a trend this year, but what I want to say about this trend is the very big trend is those early 20s short skirt, mini skirts that are both short on the thighs and very low rise. Instead of going crazy both ways, so for me, I have a high rise, style it with a pair of classy, elegant tights, so that will make it a lot more classy and not so trend focused. The trends it's really all about what you choose and how you choose to style it. One of my absolute favorite trends this year is the 90s mini scarves. I love it so much, and I honestly think it's such a good trend to take into your style if you like it, because it's super easy. For me, I have just this black, I honestly don't know even where I got this scarf from. It's not a scarf, I don't know where it came from. I've just had this one in my closet for 10-15 years, and as I said, I have no idea where it's from, but I love it, and now I can use it as a 90s scarf, and it's such a cute detail to really elevate your look with. It looks so effortless, nice and chic, and it's perfect for the Scandinavian minimalistic style to add something extra without going too crazy. For look number 3, we have another favorite trends of mine. We have the biker jackets, and these are also a little bit inspired by 80s and 90s, and they should more or less be a little bit more oversized, and especially if you are into the Scandinavian style, a more oversized biker jacket will be more what to go for. And these are so easy to style with just something classy like blue jeans and a white button down. I could throw it on myself here right now. This would look so good with oversized biker jackets. And also the biker jacket, it's such a classy, it's always there. Again, we have the monochrome outfit, but this time in all black, which is perfect. And we have the knee boots, and here you can see the new dress that I showed you in the beginning, how I have styled it, and I'm so obsessed with this dress. I can honestly say that I have worn it already before I want to style this video, so yeah, it's really one of my favorite items in my closet this season. Look number 4, I'm styling the baby blue. Okay, maybe not this shirt is really baby blue, but for me it's gonna be my kind of baby blue. Very big trend this season, and I would just style it very simple, either with blue jeans or with leather pants as in this outfit. And then we have the gray coat, just making everything so nice and really matching together. Baby blue is such a good color for many, and as you know, baby blue is also a classic color, so yeah, a trend you definitely won't regret, and you will have pieces in baby blue forever. Since the outfit itself is quite classy, I chose to go for the baseball cap, which is also a very big trend for 2023, and maybe this is something we can discuss a little bit more. Maybe that trend is not something everyone will be okay with in 5 years, I don't know, but for me I think it's just so nice and such a perfect accessory for the Scandinavian style. If you want more minimalistic outfits, then this still adds something without again being too crazy. The 5th look is denim on denim, and I love this trend. Here again we have a monochrome outfit, and the denim on denim is so easy to style because you don't even have to buy anything new. You will probably already have something in your closet. Everyone, we should have already a pair of blue jeans. If not, you should definitely go get some. And with the blue jeans you can take, for example, I'm wearing my boyfriend's denim jacket here. So yeah, it's definitely not a trend that you need to buy something new from. It's just such a nice look. Another trend that you definitely won't regret, that is the beige trend. And I don't know why this is a trend, but it's so perfect. For us who love the minimalistic Scandinavian style, the beige is such a good color, and that it's a trendy color as well, well, it's perfect. So here I have just taken a beige bag, but you can of course go all beige with a monochrome outfit as well, and it will look so effortless, so nice, and you won't regret it in 5 years, I promise. And for the sixth look, I wanted to do something a little bit out from the minimalistic, classy Scandinavian closet and take something that has a little bit more of color, and that is the lime green dress that I'm wearing in this outfit. I believe this is a color that necessarily don't have to be something you will regret, as long as you choose something that is more of a classy, clean look. In here I'm wearing a dress. This one I actually bought already last year, last spring, so it's definitely a dress that I still look forward to wearing, so I'm definitely not regretting it, even though I bought it already last year, and I look forward so much to wear it this spring and this summer. Dress itself, it's very classy, and that's what I think. If it would have been, you know, a mini skirt with a mini crop top and the green, it would be too much and you would probably regret that in 5 years. But here it's such a classy dress, so I'm sure that even though the color is quite crazy itself, I'm not gonna regret this look in 5 years. Okay guys, that's it for today. Remember to give me a comment on which look was your favorite and which trends you will wear, and remember to like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day, of course. See you, bye!